Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sinx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosx dx. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. Cosx dx we change for du. Next, we need to use about interpretation by parts. So I will put about t equals to f and u. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to du over u. dv, that is about u du. The interpretation of this one, we have v equals to u squared over number 2. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we have u squared divided by u. We have u. So the interpretation of u, that is about u squared over number 2. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. About u, that is about sinx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.